Hello viewers, welcome back YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you're all fine. Today we'll see in this video. Lovely viewer, we'll see in this video stylish landscaping ideas. Today we'll see in this video top 50 plus trending and attractive garden decorations ideas, modern landscaping garden decorations ideas in 2025. So subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. I have uploaded all modern landscaping ideas. So guys, I might suggest you just keep on watching this videos till the end. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this videos till the end. I will make a similar videos and present it in front of you, watching all top stylish and unique landscaping ideas, garden decoration designs, many more beautiful ideas we'll explore in this videos till the end. So guys, I might suggest you just keep on watching this videos till the end. Top creative and trending stylish landscaping designs. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this videos till the end. Many more beautiful ideas while exploring this videos till the end. So guys, I might suggest you just keep on watching this videos till the end. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Watch my full videos and enjoy all stylish landscaping ideas. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this videos till the end. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in this video, so you will see in all creative landscaping designs. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this videos till the end. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Attractive and trending stylish landscaping designs. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel. Subscribe my channel and watch my videos. I always try to bring new all creative garden decoration designs, landscaping ideas. So take care.